Welcome to our channel. Ordering foreign currency from Wells Fargo before your international trip ensures you have local cash upon arrival for immediate expenses. Step 1. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account at wellsfargo.com. Step 2. Navigate to foreign exchange or search for Order Foreign Currency in the Services menu. Step 3. Select the currency you need based on your destination country. Step 4. Enter the amount of foreign currency you want to order. Step 5. Review the exchange rate and total cost in US dollars including any fees. Step 6. Choose your delivery option, pickup at a Wells Fargo branch or delivery to your address. Step 7. If selecting branch pickup, choose your preferred Wells Fargo location. Step 8. Select the Wells Fargo account from which the payment will be deducted. Step 9. Review all order details including currency, amount, exchange rate, and delivery method. Step 10. Submit your order and note that it typically takes 2 to 7 business days depending on the currency and delivery method. Step 11. Alternatively, you can order foreign currency by calling Wells Fargo customer service or visiting a branch in person. Step 12. When you receive your foreign currency, count it carefully and store it securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.